I am discussing about Mleccho Hota word bachao. I am discussing about Mleccho Hota word bachao. Now I shall discuss about the all jokes of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I am reading all sloks of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The war of Kurukshetra has also been known as Dharma Yuddha. The war of Kurukshetra has also been known as Dharma Yuddha or the war of righteousness. This also contains the Gita. This also contains the Gita. Krishna's instruction to Arjuna as what constitutes Dharma. Krishna's instruction to Arjuna as what constitutes of righteousness, a multicolor phenomena of characters and emotions here. Multicolor phenomena of characters and emotions. It has Mleccho Hota word bachao. One of them is the multicolor. One of color is Mleccho Hota word bachao. Another, the ongoing struggle between black and white, between the straight and narrow. If you read the Gita, it will be see multicolor panorama, multicolor character, multicolor emotion. One of them is Mleccho Hota word bachao, and other is the struggle between black and white, between the straight and narrow, and the twisted and subversive, and especially between those who have the knowledge of the righteous action and the rare few who have a courage of conviction to put up it into practice. Finally Krishna, that means Kalki came as Krishna in Treta Yuga. The Kalki or Krishna said, the battle of right conducted through physical force leads to numerous wrongs, and in the net result, adharma increases. Now I will read Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The Srimad Bhagavad, if we read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, we see 18 parts of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 parts of here. One of them is, the first name of the part is Vishad Yoga, Arjuna Vishad Yoga, called Arjuna Vishad Yoga. Next, Sankhya Yoga. Third, Karma Yoga. Fourth, Jnana Yoga. Fifth, Karma Sannyas Yoga. Sixth, Dhyana Yoga. Seventh, Vigyan Yoga. Eighth, Akshar Brahma Yoga. Ninth, Raja Yoga. 10th, Vibhuti Yoga. 11th, Vishwarupa Darshan Yoga. 12th, Bhakti Yoga. 13th, Prakriti Purush Yoga. 14th, Gunatraya Yoga. 15th, Purushottam Yoga. 16th, Daivasur Sampad Yoga. 17th, Shraddhata Yoga. And 18th, Moksha Yoga. Anyway, it has 700 sloks. 700 sloks here. In Vishad Yoga, there are 46 sloks. In Sankhya Yoga, 72 sloks. In Karma Yoga, 42 sloks. Jnana Yoga, 42 sloks. Karma Sannyas Yoga, 29 sloks. Dhyana Yoga, 47 sloks. Vigyan Yoga, 30 sloks. Akshar Brahma Yoga, 28 sloks. 34 in Gujya Yoga, Vibhuti Yoga, 42 श्लोक्स विश्वरूप दर्शन योग, 55 श्लोक्स भक्ति योग, 20 श्लोक्स प्रकृति पुरुष विवेक योग, 35 श्लोक्स and 27 श्लोक्स in गुणत्रय विभाग योग, पुरुषोत्तम योग, 20 श्लोक्स दैवसी संवर योग, 28 श्लोक्स शब्दत्रय विभाग योग, 28 श्लोक्स and in मोक्ष योग there are 78 श्लोक्स in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. There are 700 श्लोक्स in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. If you read the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, there are 700 श्लोक्स. 700 श्लोक्स. It comes from Bhishma Parva of Mahabharata. It comes from Bhishma Parva from Mahabharata. Mahabharata, Bhishma Parva. From 25th Adhyay to 42 Adhyay. It comes from Bhishma Parva from Mahabharata. If you read Mahabharata, there are 18 Parva of Mahabharata. The name of first Parva is Adi Parva, and the Sabha Parva second, third Bana Parva, fourth Virat Parva, fifth Uddog Parva, sixth Bhishma Parva, seventh Drona Parva, eighth Karna Parva, ninth Salla Parva, 10 Saptik Parva, 11 Stri Parva, 12 Shanti Parva, 13 Unusasan Parva, 14 Aswamed Parva, 15 Ashramik Parva, 16 Moshal Parva, 17 Mahaprasthan Parva, and Sarkarohan Parva. There are 7,900 श्लोक्स in Adi Parva. There are 2,511 श्लोक्स in Sabha Parva. 11,664 in Bana Parva. 250 in Virat Parva. 6,698 in Uddog Parva. 5,884 in Bhishma Parva. Drona Parva. In Drona Parva, Slok has 8,909. In Karna Parva, 4,964. Salla Parva, 3,220. Saptik Parva, 870. In Stri Parva, we see the slok number of slok is 774. In Bhishma Parva, there are 14,732 sloks. There are in Unusasan Parva, there are 8,000 sloks in Unusasan Parva, and in Aswamed Parva, there are 3,320 sloks in Aswamed Parva. And Ashramik Parva, there are 1,506 sloks in Ashramik Parva. Moshal Parva, there are 320 sloks has in Moshal Parva. Mahaprasthan Parva has 123 sloks. And at last, in Sarkarohan Parva, there are 203 sloks in Sarkarohan Parva. If we see Mahabharata, we see the Bhishma Parva, there are 5,884 श्लोक्स. The Gita comes from Bhishma Parva, 25 Adhyay to 42 Adhyay. The number of sloks is 700 in Gita. Dhritarashtra says only one slok, Sanjaya says 40 slok, Arjuna says 45 sloks, and Shikino says 574 sloks. There are only 70 sloks in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and there are 580 words of Sanskrit. He said, and now we are going in 28th Kali Yuga. It is 28th Chaturjug, and the name of Manu is Vishwasata Manu, and we are living in the age of Brahma. The age of Brahma is 50,100 day. Krishna is in battlefield of Kurukshetra when he was only 70 years old. when he was 70 years old. There are two chando in this Srimad Bhagavad Gita. One chando is Anushtup chando and other is Trishtup chando. There are 7 chando in our recite. One of them is Gayatri, one next Ustik, third Anushtup, fourth Trishtup, 5 Brihat, 6 Pankti and Jati. The two chandos, Anushtup chando and Trishtup chando, is here from 7 chando. The name of this is Anushtup chando and Trishtup chando in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. What is Anushtup chando? Anushtup chando is 32 letters, but Trishtup chando has 44 letters. Where 32 letters in this chando called Anushtup chando, and where is 44 letters in his the called Trishtup chando. Anushtup chando has 32 letters and Trishtup chando 44 letters. Anushtup chando is here 645. Number of the name of Anushtup chando, the number of Anushtup chando in Srimad Bhagavad Gita is 645, and the number of Trishtup chando in Srimad Bhagavad Gita is 55 letter 535. The number of Anushtup chando is 645 and Trishtup chando is 55. The battlefield of Kurukshetra was 48 crores, and there are 18 Akshini of Pandav's army and 18 Akshini armies of Kuru, and there are 11 Akshini armies was Pandavs. There are three types. There are 3 types of Ghatak, Shatak. One of them is Karma Shatak, next Bhakti Shatak, and first 6 Adhyay is Karma Shatak, next 6 Adhyay is Bhakti Shatak, and next 6 Adhyay is Jnana Shatak. Now I shall read out Srimad Bhagavad Gita from 1 Adhyay to 18 Adhyay.